Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, first things first, I hope you've all had a good Christmas and a good New Year's. Now, if you hadn't seen the last video, I installed this window right here at the back. Now, this is the back of the attic, and then I can't do the other end because that's going to be off scaffold. I'm probably going to have to get a boom to sort of sheet that one as well. Anyway, what I'm going to be doing in this episode, I'm going to be starting to sheet this back wall, making sure I insulate it, and then I'm going to be moving onto the ceiling and coming through and sheeting that as well. Now, it is super hot up here. I'm already sweating. There's not much of a breeze outside, so I'm not getting much wind through here. But anyway, we're going to get this done, so let's get into it. Right, so we have that wall finished and sheeted. Now what we need to do is we need to finish off the ceiling up here. So I've got this bit of J-track which is just going to tie off the end of these furring channels, and that gives me something to fix to as well. So I'm going to do that here and on the other side here, and then we can actually start throwing some insulation and start sheeting along this ceiling. Right, so what else I need to do is I need to continue this wall so we've got fixing for our sheet at the end. So I've cut a piece of timber, I'm just going to mark it, make sure the wall flows through, and then I'm just going to fix this back into the nogs that I put behind there. Right, so now we've got the end of the wall braced off. I need to modify this stud. So what I need to do is push this out because I've got a 600 by 600 access panel going here, and I've got one going over the other side. So I just need to modify this opening so later on I can cut it in and I can get access through there. Right, so we've got all that insulated. I've had a shower, I'm dripping wet. Sorry, I've got to have my shirt off. It is so hot up here. It's probably about 35 degrees today and really humid. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start sheeting this side of the wall here, work this way. I would start with the ceiling, but all the sheets of the wall sheets are actually on top of the ceiling sheets. So I'm going to start sheeting this wall along here, and when I get to those I can start throwing the ceiling and then move to the other side and go as far as I can. Okay, so that one side is done. Now it's time to do the ceiling on this side. So I've got the sheets, well, a lot of the sheets up here just for this side. I do have to carry them up 2 flights of stairs, but I'm going to start sheeting the ceiling along here. So I'll glue it, screw it, and we'll move along. Alright, so I've got all that ceiling complete, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut all these little pieces here. So these are all pretty much the same size, so I'm going to go through, cut them all, and then we can go along and screw them up. Well, that's it for today. I'm absolutely buggered. I'm hot. I'm covered in sweat. It's time to go and jump in the pool, and we'll continue this other side tomorrow. We'll see you then. Good morning, guys. All right, we're back up here in the attic and we're about to get the other side sheeted. Now it's another super hot day, so I'm sure I'm going to be sweating very soon, but I'm going to start with the bottom walls and then I'm going to move on to the ceiling. So let's get into it. Now you can see this guy's got the right idea. He's getting really hot. Hey buddy, hey? Alright, so you're probably wondering what I'm doing with these big openings here and over the other side, how I didn't back block it or it's quite open. This is going to be for storage space. I'm going to probably have some drawers in this, so I'll be cutting these out later and fitting in some drawer boxes and framing them out, and then we can set around them and finish them off. So at the moment I'm just sheeting past them and we'll deal with that later. Well, all the main big sheets are done. Now it's time just to put these last little ones up here, and then we can call this done. So I'm dripping wet, absolutely drenched. It's hot up here, but I've got a little bit of a breeze coming through here now, which is nice. So let's just quickly throw these up, and then we can go and jump in the pool again. Well, there you have it. It is all complete. It looks so much better, and honestly, it's like a wind tunnel now. I'm getting so much breeze through here. It's incredible. So really happy how it's come up. It's going to look even better once I start plastering. Don't know when I'm going to be doing that yet. I would like to get this other window complete first, but I do need to get some help to do that, and I probably need to hire a boom lift to be able to do it. And I'd have to disconnect the power from my house as well, so I sort of need to get it done in either a day or maximum 2 days. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't very exciting just sheeting the attics, but it's good to see it one step closer to it being complete. So if you did like it, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.